30 days. That doesn't sound like a long time. But 30 days can be the difference between staying the same person and becoming someone completely different. Most people spend years waiting for their life to change. What they don't realize is that change begins the moment they stop negotiating with themselves. 30 days ago, I was stuck, waking up without purpose, wasting hours on things that gave me nothing in return, telling myself that tomorrow would be different. But tomorrow kept turning into another tomorrow. Maybe you know that feeling. You have goals, you have dreams, you know exactly what you should be doing. Yet every day, distractions pull you away, comfort wins, excuses win, and slowly, without noticing, your potential slips through your fingers. The hardest part is not failing. The hardest part is watching yourself become less than what you know you could be. Then I made a decision. For the next 30 days, I would stop relying on motivation. I would rely on discipline, no matter how I felt, no matter how tired I was, no matter how inconvenient it became. Every morning, I got up when I said I would. Every day, I worked on my goals. Every day, I exercised. Every day, I spent time learning instead of endlessly consuming entertainment. The actions were not perfect. Some days were messy. Some days felt impossible. Some days I wanted to quit, but I kept going. And that's when something surprising happened. The challenge stopped being about results. It became about identity. I was no longer trying to achieve discipline. I was becoming a disciplined person. That is the shift most people never make. They focus on outcomes. They focus on motivation. They focus on quick results. But real transformation happens when you focus on becoming the kind of person who does what needs to be done, whether they feel like it or not. By the second week, my mind felt stronger. By the third week, the excuses became quieter. By the fourth week, the habits started feeling normal. The things that once felt difficult became part of my daily life. Not because they became easy, but because I became stronger. That is what discipline does. It doesn't remove challenges. It changes you. It teaches you that your feelings don't have to control your actions. It teaches you that progress is earned, not wished for. It teaches you that every promise you keep to yourself builds confidence. And every promise you break weakens it. The truth is, your future is being created right now, not next year, not next month, today. The person you become is shaped by the habits you repeat. If you keep choosing comfort, you will stay where you are. If you choose discipline, even when it hurts, your life will begin to move in a different direction. So, here's the challenge. For the next 30 days, stop waiting. Stop making excuses. Wake up when you say you will. Do the work you know you need to do. Keep the promises you make to yourself. One day at a time. Because 30 days from now will arrive whether you act or not. The only question is this. When those 30 days are over, will you still be the same person? Or will you finally become someone you are proud to be?